At the peak, kasi nung
Hindi, calculation lang.
Hindi, pinaka 120, 130?
Nandun.
Opo. Nung time na nahandun ako, Your Honor, Mr. Senate President, I was just there from 2:30 to about 4:10. So,
doon sa panahon.
120 to 130. Pero, umalis ho ako ng mga 4:10, Your Honor.
Nandun ba si Reynaldo V. Umali?
Ayun ho, sigurado ko ho, malaking tao ho yun.
Nandun sa. Si Arlene J. Bagaw, nandun.
Nandun ho.
Nandun. Posibleng nandun si Kongada.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, sige, proceed.
Sinabi mo that you were worried about the attempt at judicial control. Why were you worried?
Kasi ho,
Objection, Your Honor. Again, asking for
Your
an
Honor,
opinion.
the witness can explain.
That's an
Your
opinion,
Honor.
counsel. You're asking for an opinion.
No, I'm just asking Your Honor for his reason.
Surmise. It's not a question. It's not factual.
So,
Reform the question.
sige po. So, ito pong matapos pong magbigay ng conclusion po si Congressman Neil Tupas. Ano po ang nangyari doon po sa...
Meron pa akong gusto magtanong, hindi na ako pinayagan magtanong. Tapos, ang sinabi, the Secretary General will administer the oath and verify the complaints in front. Yun ho.
Mr. Congressman,
Yes, Your Honor.
nandun ka magsimula
4:10, Your Honor.
2:30 hanggang 4:10.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sa Makatid, mahigit na 2 oras.
Hindi, Your Honor, 1.5 hours, Your Honor.
1 hour 40 minutes.
More or less, Your Honor.
Sige. At
Kung tama ho yung aking recollection, mga nagsimula ho kami, Mr. Senate President, at mga between 3 to 3:10, tapos siguro mga 20 minutes yung PowerPoint presentation sa mga 3:40 to 3:45, tapos umalis ho ako ng mga 4 o'clock.
At prinisin tayong 8 kung ano yung mga PowerPoint na nakalagay doon.
Verbally, opo, Mr. Senate
Na
President.
nag-explica doon sa bawat articles of impeachment.
Opo, Mr. Senate President.
Proceed.
So, nung matapos po, sinabi nyo, hindi na po pinayagang
General will be here to administer the oath and the verification. Pumila na yung mga pipirma.
Saan po pumila?
Doon ho sa kung kasi kung illustrate ko ho, nahandun ho si speaker doon ho, nag-PowerPoint presentation, kaming lahat ho nakaharap doon. So doon ho sa baba ni
Gusto pong pumunta doon para pumila. Ano po ba ang naging sistema ng pagpirma?
Nakapila ho sila, tapos meron din hong nakakumpul doon sa pumipila, Your Honor. Ibig sabihin, there was, sa bandang likod, there was a straight line. Pero right in the table, nakapaikot ho yung...
Nasa linya ay yun din yung mga tao na nandun sa caucus.
Opo, Your Honor. Pero hindi ho lahat pumila kaagad, Your Honor. Yung iba nagkwekwentuhan sa gilid, tsaka yung iba siguro, dahil mahaba pa yung pila, kung ang tinatanong nyo is the act of signing, hindi ko ho makikita dahil
The preparation of the articles of impeachment. Well, the members of this court are intelligent enough to evaluate. They're not bound by the testimony of a witness if they do not believe in this story.
Yes, Mr. President, but perhaps my clarification is that we had a lengthy discussion earlier between the Chief Defense Counsel, Justice Cuevas, and the Chair on the issue of whether or not affirmative defenses can be presented in order to question or raise questions about the validity of the complaint.
No, they are not presenting. They are not presenting about the verification. That is just telling the story, the background of how the impeachment complaint was prepared according to his experience. But there are so many people present in that caucus, many people who signed this impeachment complaint, who may have a different experience.
Point, Mr. President, to the ruling
So-
of the chair, but with the without prejudice to raising some later on, Mr. President, additional.
Last question, complaint against Chief Justice Corona.
Who did I speak to?
Congressman that you have spoken to
He
regarding the
mentioned
signing.
3.
Yes.
He mentioned 3.
Yes.
Do I have to name, Your Honor?
Yes, of course, you have to name if you are going to mention it.
If he wants to name them. You are not bound to name them, but if you want to name them,
I only ask because I only have authority to name one because I don't want to name the others without asking them.
Go.
So I asked one if I could name him just in case I am asked, and he agreed. So I will just name that one if that's okay, Mr. Senate President.
sure, go ahead.
I spoke to Congressman Dodo Mandanas. He called me up. Congressman Dodo Mandanas called me up on Thursday or Friday. The impeachment was December 12. I resigned December 13. On December 14, Congressman Dodo Mandanas was removed as the chairman of the Committee on Ways and Means. And I think on the 15th or the 16th, he called me if we could have coffee. So,
And what did he tell you?
I told him, anong nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ba't kaya hindi tinanggal? Sabi niya kasi, sa tingin ko, dahil doon sa boto ko, linapitan ko si Congressman Boyet Gonzales. Sabi ko, ano ba itong nangyayari? Ang sabi ni Boyet Gonzales, simple lang to. Kung pipirma ka, kakampi ka ni Pinoy. Kung hindi ka pipirma, kalaban ka ni Pinoy. And I asked permission from Congressman Dodo Mandanas to say that statement, that he told it to me, and he agreed. That is the reason why I cannot name the two others,
All
Mr.
right.
President.
Oh,
We have,
Counsel,
we have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
All right, Cross.
Just a few cross-examination questions, Mr. President.
Are you going to do a cross now?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, proceed.
Toby, I call you Toby.
Yes, but I will still call you Your Honor because I respect you, Manong Rudy.
Thank you. You are aware that we receive our PDAF through tranches, is that correct?
What do you mean tranches, Manong Rudy?
First tranche, second tranche.
Yes, correct. The first tranche is for the first half of the year, and the second tranche is for the second half of the year, Your
For
Honor.
the second tranche of 2010, which was our
First,
first 6 months, did you get all your PDAF?
completely, Your Honor.
How about for 2011?
For 2011, I have to qualify it, no? For the first tranche, yan ho yung sinasabi ko na delay. Na nakuha ko na yan August 1.
So nakuha mo?
Pero August 1.
Oo, nakuha mo.
August 1.
Okay. Right. Nakuha mo.
Pero yung iba ho nakakuha Mayo eh. Manong Rudy.
So nakuha mo. So you
pero
received.
iba ho yung nakuha ng Mayo, iba ho yung nakuha ng August 1. Your
How
Honor.
about the second tranche?
Yung second tranche, nakuha ko ho. Sandali. On October...
Okay na, nakuha mo.
Hindi, hindi.
My question is, kung nakuha mo.
Hindi pwede mag-explain?
No, nakuha mo.
Hindi, nakuha ko ho.
Yes, nakuha.
Pero yung petsa ho ng pagkakuha ko.
Now, those who
Ayaw
signed,
niyong malaman.
are you aware that there are 188 complainants in this case who signed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Most of them, I presume you know.